Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial for the design that I've decided to call the Cosmology tee. Here I'm going to show you an overview of this design, and I'm also going to show you some parts that may be tricky to make. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the first thing that you will be doing. It's a foundation single crochet, and if this is a new technique for you, I'm going to show you here how to make it. First, make a regular slip knot, insert the hook, make 2 chains to start with, and then we're going to go into the back bar. There's a bar on the back of the chain. We're going to go into this back bar with the hook. You may need to help a little bit with the fingers at first. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, but pull through only the first loop, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. To make the next part, we're going to go into the top bars in the place where I'm showing here and pull through. Pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops. And this is what we are repeating. Go into the foundation single crochet in the place where I'm showing, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert the hook just behind the hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we are repeating this until we have the amount of stitches stated in the pattern. And you're going to have stitches on both sides of the foundation single crochet, and that's the good thing with this thing, that you can work on both sides, so it doesn't really matter which side you start working into. Once we are done with the foundation single crochet, we join it in the round and we start working this double folded edge. And in order to make that, we make 3 rounds and make decreases, and then we increase again and then fold this over and work into both edges at the same time. And there are some pictures in the pattern, so I hope this will help you. I don't have a video of how to make this, but if you have any problems, just send me a message. After making the double folded edge, we start the raglan increases. So we are working over 2 raglan waistcoat stitches, and we are increasing at different rates to create a compound raglan, which gives a better fit. Here I'm showing you a detailed view of the increase rounds. You have 2 waistcoat stitches that are marked with markers, and in the waistcoat stitch before those 2 marked stitches you're going to make an increase, and the increase is waistcoat stitch, chain 1 and waistcoat stitch in the same waistcoat stitch. And be careful to remember to place the hook to the right as usual, as described in the other video. Then we are working over 5 stitches in total: chain 1, waistcoat stitch, chain 1, waistcoat stitch, and chain 1 again. And these 5 stitches are what's between the increases. We are again making an increase after the 5 raglan stitches in the same way again. And you make this for every raglan. At the sleeve we are making a more simple edge, not the full double folded one. It's quite simple, and built on the same technique like the double folded one, so I won't show you here. I'm going to show you later on how to sew down the edge at the bottom, because we cannot make it the same way that we made the one at the neck. We have to sew down this edge with backstitch. And this is how it looks before you sew it down. You see that it almost stays up by itself because of this folding round that we're making. It's quite cool, but still we need to sew it down. I just wanted to show you how it looks before. And here is a video of how to sew down the edge. Sorry for the bad angle. But I hope you can see how to make it. Now it's soon gonna focus better. Insert the needle like this, and I don't have the proper words to describe it, so I think I'm just gonna show you, and I hope that this will help you to sew down the edge in a nice way. And then we also have something that I'm really excited about. We have this possibility to make a Picot pattern across the whole design, and this is really fun. It might feel a little bit fiddly at the beginning, but I found it quite easy to work after a while, so I hope you feel the same. And I'm showing you here, giving you some help to understand how to change between the two colors. When you make this, you are working with two colors at the same time, making the Picot in the contrast color, and then going into the back bar of the first chain that you made, picking up the main color and pulling through. Insert the hook into the next waistcoat stitch, but pull through with the contrast color. 1, 2, 3 chains, insert the hook through the back bar, pick up the main color with the hook, pull through both loops, insert the hook in the waistcoat stitch as usual, but pull through with the contrast color. Lastly, join the round with the main color, and now you can either cut the contrast color, which I think is the best choice, or you can keep it and pull it behind your work until the next patterned round, but it's going to be a little bit too far for me, but you can decide what to do. And now I'm going to show you the round after the Picot round. You are working as usual. Basically, you just have to be a little bit careful that you are not that the picots don't end up on the back side, so you can correct them a little bit with your fingers if this happens. I hope this helped you to make your own perfect Cosmology tee, and if you have any questions or feedback, please reach out for me either here or at my email or Instagram. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye!